If you've been wanting to start making music but don't know how to get FL Studio on your PC for free, this video is exactly what you need. Today, I'll walk you through the full download and installation process, explain what the free version really includes, and share a bonus tool that pairs perfectly with FL Studio. Let's get started. So first, let's clear one thing up. Yes, you can use FL Studio for free. The free edition gives you full access to almost every feature: recording, mixing, plugins, the works. The catch? You can't reopen saved projects unless you upgrade to a paid version. But if you just want to learn, experiment, or produce without committing money yet, this is the perfect way to get started. Now, let's walk through how to download it the right way. Begin by searching FL Studio Download and clicking on the official ImageLine website. Once you're on the page, hit download now and let the installer finish downloading. When the file is ready, open the .exe installer. A pop-up might ask for permission. Click yes, then click next. Accept the terms of use and press I agree. You'll be asked whether to install it for this user only or all users. Choose whichever fits your setup. After that, keep clicking next until you reach the install button. Click it, wait for the installation to complete, then click next, next again, and finish by pressing finish. Once everything is installed, launch FL Studio. On the start screen, choose Try FL Studio. That's it. Your free-for-life trial license is active and the program will run with all core features unlocked. Before you start producing, here's a quick pro tip. Pair FL Studio with Audacity, a completely free audio editor. It's great for trimming vocals, cleaning audio, or making quick edits before importing your sound into FL Studio. The two tools work surprisingly well together, especially if you're just starting out. And that's the full setup. You now have FL Studio running on your PC and ready for music production. If this guide helped you, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what tutorial you want next. Thanks for watching and happy producing.